Today we have the StealthFlow option to divert water away from the house. Now you can see we've been dealing with erosion, and this was my last resort other than doing the underground system. This seemed like the most foolproof way, and considering that we already have a slope, this just makes more sense to where the water will roll down the hill and come out near the fence. Now this is a pretty good option. Originally I thought these were holes, but they're more of a, they basically brace this so that it won't crush under the weight of sand or rocks or whatever you decide to put on top of this. And in the video they showed a truck or a car running over it, so they're pretty confident in their product. But yeah, I am going to install these, and I'm testing out 2 of them right now. And because that is such a long distance, and we have a robot lawnmower, I wanted to put it under the ground so that I won't have to run the robot lawnmower around anything. I can literally just run it just over, or well, actually I can go under that. But yeah, the goal is to just make this as flat as possible, and this was the only thing that I could find that would allow me to do that. Wanted to give you a quick update on the system. It's rained quite a few times since I installed it, and as you can see, the water is, I don't know what this is. That's a little weird setup that's happening, but for the most part the water isn't washing the sand away or the dirt away, and it comes out over here somewhere. So I've had it installed for maybe like 2 weeks actually, and it's rained about 4 or 5 times. It's about to rain right now actually. But yeah, it's worked great, so I'm highly satisfied with that installation, and I suggest that for anyone who is looking for a system to direct water away from the house for whatever reason. All right, thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.